In this video, we will discuss now ordered linked list. The difference between unordered and ordered linked list is only that in ordered linked list, all the nodes will be put in the linked list in a specific order. So let us see its structure. Let us see the ordered linked list class. It has same methods: search, insert first, insert last, delete node. There is only one major difference, is that insert function. And what it does, the new item is inserted at the proper place in the list. Okay, proper place means it in its proper order in the list, ascending order. So let us see what it does. The insert function, here it goes, insert function, and you can see it's quite a lengthy function. And let us see what it does. You have already seen that in the insert in the previous videos we have used trail current pointer object that points to the previous uh, node of the given item. This pointer object we have used in the delete node function, in which we want the address of the previous node of the item to be deleted. But in this case, when we want to insert an item into its proper ascending order in the list, then we will first have to find its position in the linked list, its proper position in the linked list, and then adjust its pointers. So to adjust those pointers, we will need to have the trail current pointer. So the situation is same. The current pointer will point, suppose it will point to node number 5, then trail current will point to node number 4. Similarly, if current is pointing to node number 7, the trail current will point to node number 6. So that is the issue. Okay, we have created a new node and we have copied new item into the info part of the new node, and we have assigned its link to null. Then first we will see that if our list is empty before the insertion of new node, if the first is null pointer, then the case is very simple. We will assign first to the new node, last to the new node, because there is only one node in the list, and increment the counter. But if the list is not empty, then we will move on to the next else section. And in this section, first we will find the proper position of the new node. And for this, first of all, we will assign the first to the current node, and we will initialize a flag variable found equal to false, and we will simply run a loop that we have discussed already. We will run this loop until the current while the current node is not null pointer and the item is not found. And inside the loop, we will compare the new item with the info part of the current node. If it's matched, then we will set found equal to true, and on the next iteration, the next condition check, it will break the while loop. Otherwise, if the item is not matched, then we will simply move the trail current to the current and the current to the current dot link. Means both pointers will now move to the next nodes. Okay, the loop is finished, and we will get either the node was found, otherwise not found. So if the node is found at the first node of the list, it means if current is equal to this dot first, so it means that we have to put the new node at the beginning of the list, as the first node of the list. So for this we will set new nodes link to the first node. It means we are putting the new node before the previously first node. Okay, and we will now point the first pointer to our new node, and we will increment the count nodes. Otherwise, if the found node is not at the first node, then it may be at the next any other position, and we will simply point the link part of trail current, the previous node, to the new node, our new node. Okay, so now the previous node will point to our new node instead of the current node, and new node will point to our current node. It means we have placed our new node between the trail current and the current nodes. Okay, and then if we see that if current is equal to null, it means the current is the last node of the list. It means then we will point this dot last is equal to new node. It means if current is equal to null pointer, it means that the list was searched through and the node was not found. So we will simply put the last node at the end of the list. Okay, and it will increment the counter. So rest of the functions are same. In fact, insert first is changed. It is calling simply insert function. Whether we call insert first, whether we call insert last, it will simply call the insert function to put the new node into its proper place, and the rest are same. All right, so let's run the program, and now we will enter the numbers not in a specific order, but still it will place it into its proper place. So these are the items. Okay, I'm entering 999 minus, and you can see that it have put all the values, all the numbers in its proper place. And let us try to delete a number, and it says that after deleting 400, now the list is this. Okay, this is the program.